This time I'm going to look at question 4. Part A just asks you to find the perimeter of the triangle. There are 3 lots of sides that are exactly the same, right? So obviously we have 3x plus 42. Yeah, that one's pretty easy. All right, part B is asking us to find EF. So what I'm going to do is say DI is the long bit at the bottom, and I'm going to subtract GH because that's the bit at the top that we don't want for this. So DI is 2x plus 3, and I'm going to subtract GH, which is just x. So that leaves me with x plus 3. Again, pretty simple. Part C is asking me to find FG. So for FG, it's going to be HJ, and I'm going to subtract, HI, my bad. HI by subtract ED. So HI is 12 plus 2x, and I'm going to subtract. Now, be really careful with this. This is where a lot of people make mistakes. You must put brackets around this because you're subtracting this whole bit. So what that means is I've got 12, and this is like distributing as a negative. So this is 12 minus 5, which gives me 7. And then I've got 2x minus x, which is just normal x. All right, now part D is asking me to find the perimeter of the shape. So all I need to do is add all my sides together. So if I start at ED and go around, I've got x plus 5. And then I've already found EF, haven't I? EF was, what was that, part B? So my answer to part B is x plus 3. And then my next one is the one I found last. So that's plus 7 plus x. And then the top line they've already given us is x. The side line HI is 12 plus 2x. And then the bottom line, which we don't have room for, is 2x plus 3. All right, so we're going to, that doesn't look like a 3. All right, we're going to put all these together. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 x's. And then if you add all these together, we've got 5 plus 10, which is 15, 25, 27, and 30. So then my whole answer is 30. Is that what I said? 5, 15, 25. Yeah, that's right. Okay, cool. So 8x equals 30. All right, now part E is telling me that the perimeters are equal. So this is very much what we did earlier. Aren't we just being told that this is equal to this? So I'm going to set up an equation that tells me that. So 3x plus 42 equals 8x plus 30. All right, so that means I'm going to solve for x. So I'm going to say that 42 minus 30 equals 8x minus, come on, 3x. So 42 minus 30 gives me 12, and 8x minus 3x gives me 5. So again, we have a pretty annoying fraction here. That's okay. We're allowed to have annoying fractions. So this is x, and I'm not going to bother doing the rest of it for you because all you do is substitute this back in. If you want the perimeter of each shape, well, that's just this, right? That's the perimeter of that shape. That's the perimeter of that shape. You just substitute in x, and that will give you your answers. That is E. Part F is the bit I'm not going to do. We are asked to find the perimeters. Just sub it back in. All right, good luck.